If A is to B is equal to 2 is to 1, B is to C is equal to 3 is to 5, C is to D is equal to 4 is to 5, and E is to D is equal to 6 is to 5, then find A is to B is to C is to D is to E. Now, such questions have a different method to solve, but this particular question can be solved just by using the options as well. Now, the ratio remains the constant even if you use the joint ratio as well. So A is to B is 2 is to 1. So you can find 24 is to 12 everywhere, which gets reduced to 2 is to 1. Now B is to C should be 3 is to 5. Now if you reduce 12 is to 10, then it gets reduced to 6 is to 5. It should be 3 is to 5. And therefore, all options involving 12 is to 10 will get eliminated. So the only option remaining becomes our answer, that is option B. Now I'll also tell you the general method of solving these kind of questions. So everyone pay attention here. First of all, write down the given alphabets. Here we have 5 alphabets. So A, B, C, D, E. The first ratio A to B is 2 is to 1. We write down in the first line. The second ratio 3 is to 5 in the second line. C is to D is 4 is to 5. So that is also in the next line. Now this is E is to D and we have written D is to E. So we'll write it down as 5 is to 6. D is to E will be 5 is to 6. Now D already is 5 in this ratio as well. So I'll write down 6 over here as well. So if you have the same number, you can write in the same line. But here you can observe B has two different numbers, C has two different numbers, and hence we are writing in two different lines. So once you get a table like this, you have to do is fill up the empty spaces. You can see there are empty spaces here. You have to fill those with the horizontal neighboring values. So here the horizontal neighbor is 1. So we write down 1 here everywhere. Here it becomes 5. Here it becomes horizontal neighbor. It could be left or right. So here it would be 3. Here it would be 4. Now if you multiply it vertically, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 1 3s are 3, 3 4s are 12. 1 5s are 5, 5 4s are 20. 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25. And 1 5s are 5, 5 6 are 30. So that is our answer, option B. So this is the general method of getting the answer in these kind of questions.